Ydych chi'n cofio canu mewn grŵp neu côr? Dwi'n neud. Dwi'n hoffi iawn i canu. Okay. Wel, pan nath Iesu i mynd mewn Jerusalem, y dinas mawr in Palestine, when Jesus went into Jerusalem, the capital city of Palestine, roedd yn y lawer o canu, there was lots of singing. People sang. And not only they sang, they waved palm branches and sang, Hosanna, Hosanna I Brenin, Hosanna to the King. And they put their cloaks on the floor and ceddod yr asyn arnyn nhw. Roedd pobl nad oeddent yn hoffi Iesu, yn anhapus iawn. A hyn oedd yn digwydd. Dim canu! Dim cwyddio! Well, mae Iesu yn gwedden. Jesus laughed at this. People told him to control the crowd. Stop singing. Stop waving your hands. Yn dywedodd ffrindiau Iesu, mae brenin yn dod. Mae brenin yn dod. Rhaid I ni groesawu. The king is coming. We need to welcome the king. Well, nid oedd Iesu yn fath nodweddiadol o frenin. He was a very different type of king. Roedd Iesu gofali am ei ffrindio. He looked after his friends. He kept them safe. Un wythnos cyn Iesu marw, a nos Iau, roedd Iesu gwahoddi I ffrindiau I swper. On the Thursday before he died, Jesus invited his friends for supper. Torrodd fara ar anigwyn. He broke bread and shared wine. What else did he do? Rydych chi'n cofio? Well, roedd Iesu yn neud peth wahanol. He did a different thing. Golcoth Iesu, draed I ffrindiau. He washed his friends' feet. Why on earth did he do that? He did it to remind people that he'd come to teach his friends to be different, to live differently. Pob bendydd, a pas hapus I chi.